hello guys. Yesterday we see how to install the Centos operating system on our virtual machine. Okay, so today we learn some basic command on that. So first we have to start our virtual machine. So this is a VMware workstation. Okay, open it. Okay, yeah, and this is my CentOS CLI mode operating system. Okay, this which we yesterday created. So I just start this machine. So we install the operating system with minimal package. So that's why it's a command based operating system. We have to do anything, any operation on our system. So we just can do through the command line. So we started now. So yesterday we while installing we create two users. One is a root user, if you remember, and another is a user. Username is user. Okay. So uh, see, uh, I'm login with a root user. Password is root. So now we are in the we entered in our machine. Okay. So the first step is to identify the user. It has a admin privilege or it's a normal user. So see, here is a hash while it's showing hash here. Okay, so that means is a so that hash indicates it's a admin user. Okay, and likewise same star indicates it's a normal user. I will show you. Yes, we created in last class one more user, that a user. Okay, user password is user. See, there is a star sign after the user localhost. Okay, so that means you can identify from here also this is a root user, means this is admin user or this is a normal user. Okay, so I, again I log in as a root. So next thing we have to know, no to the current directory. Directory means folder. In Windows we can say directory means a folder. So you are in which directory, this is a path. To know that we have to use pwd command. Okay, we have to use pwd command to know the current directory. Okay, see, we are in now we are in a root directory. So using if you are in a file one. Okay, so using pwd command, not a search directory. Oh, this is a file. Okay, So if I, okay, so using pwd command, just like I am going to here, if I go to where, so you here you can identify that you are in a where directory. Okay, so pwd command is used to identify the root path, means path of that directory. Okay, the next, uh, how to create empty file. Okay, to create empty file we have to use touch command, touch and file name. Okay, so this command is used to create a empty file, and we can also create multiple empty file at once. So how this is possible? Touch file name space file name. Okay, and uh, how we identify uh, it's an empty file or text file. Okay, so using file command, file name, this is for a single file. Okay, and if you have to check multiple file at once, so this is file name, file name 1, file name 2, likewise. So uh, let's see we do the practical here. Okay, so for now, touch, I just created one file, just abc1. Okay, see, abc1 file is created. Okay, now we have to create multiple file. How it is for abc2, abc3, 3, abc4. See, using ls command, you can see the created file in that particular directory. Okay, abc1, abc2, abc3, abc4, we can create it. Now we have to check, identify it's a empty file or not. So using file command, file and file name abc1. See, sorry, abc1 have some data, maybe abc2. See, abc2 is an empty file. Actually I already created the abc1 file before, so that's why there is some data, maybe cat abc. Yeah, in abc1 there is some data. So file abc2. See, there is an empty file. If we have to check multiple file, you can use file abc2, abc3. See, there is two, there is both abc2 and abc3 that are a empty file. Okay, now we have to create a text file where the data is present. So using cat command, cat forward slash and file name, will add giving the file name uh, suppose Mumbai 1. Okay, and using cat command we can create a text file, and to open the text file we have to use cat forward slash sorry, Mumbai. Okay, and to add data on the text file we have to use cat double forward slash file name Mumbai 1. So Mumbai 1. Okay, see, now we create a file, text file Mumbai 1. Now you can put any data here. Uh, this is the Mumbai file. Okay, and enter and press the Control D. Here press the Control plus D to save and exit. Okay, so okay, so we created one text file. Now we have to read what the content in that file. So cat Mumbai 1. See, this is the Mumbai file. Okay, now I have to add some data on that particular existing file. So I have to use cat double forward slash file name Mumbai. Yes, this is a Mumbai file. I'm adding some data. Okay, stay here, enter and Control D. See, we check again Mumbai. See, this is the data is successfully inserted here. Okay, so we can use cat command to create a text file. Okay, now we have to create a hidden file. So hidden files is that means no one can see the file using ls command. We have to uh, use I tell you cat dot file name to create hidden file. To access hidden file, uh, forward slash cat dot file name. This dot sign is responsible to create the hidden file, and this dot is responsible to show the hidden file. Okay, if we have to add everything is same, just we have to add the dot there. So we have to add any data on hidden file dot that file name. Okay, so one more thing, add to to know the hidden file, to list the hidden files, we have to use ls -a command. Okay, so cat /has file file 123. Okay, I am adding some data here. Control D. Okay, now to open the hidden files, see, if I using ls command only, there is no file 123 is present. Okay, if I use ls a, see, this is the file 123, which indicates the dot sign, which is the hidden file. And to add any data, to open the hidden file, cat dot file name file 123, see, and to add any data on hidden file, cat or dot file 123, can add anything. Control D, cat dot file 123. Oh, sorry, I again I cat dot file 123. See, now we can read the hidden file content. Okay, so to create a directory means the folder in Windows we call as a folder, and in Linux it's a directory. Okay, so to create directory we have to use amkdir and directory name. Okay, and to create multiple directory we have to use amkdir directory name 1, directory name 2, directory name 3, likewise. Okay, subdirectory means directory within a directory. Okay, so to create the subdirectory we have to use mkdir hyphen p. P means it stands for parent directory. Okay, so I'm just creating one folder, some Maharashtra / in Maharashtra, Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune. Okay, see, see the tactical here. So to create one directory we have to use mkdir. Suppose I am creating one directory Delhi. Okay, ls. See, the directory is created. To move from one directory to another directory, we have to use cd command, change the directory, Delhi. Now we are in the Delhi. Okay. So in Delhi there is no any file is created. So now I'm creating one a different many more directories with a single command. How this is possible? Mkdir hyphen Delhi del 1 del 2 del 3. Okay. See, created. We can create uh, multiple directories with single command. Now I have to create uh, directories within directories, means subdirectories. So mkdir hyphen p. In Delhi I have to create one folder directory mah. Okay. In Maharashtra I have to create one directory 1 2 3 4. Okay. See, ls command. We are in now just Maharashtra. Okay, there is a one directory C1 CD CD1. In one there is two. Okay, CD2 ls. In second folder there is directory name 3, and in if I go to 3 there is a 4. Okay, same like I am going to 4, there is no any directory. So to back one step you have to use command cd space dot dot. Okay, now you are in the previous directory. Same. And to complete using only cd command, you return back to your root directory. Okay, so now I have to delete a single directory. Okay, see, to delete a empty directory means there is no any data present on particular directory, that's called as a empty directory. So to delete the empty directory we have to use rmdr command and directory name. Okay, and to delete directory where the data contains data or subdirectory, we have to use rm hyphen r and directory name. R stand for recursive, where r stand for recursive. So see in the practice. Now I just create one empty directory. In Delhi directory there are many subdirectories. If I'm deleting using uh, rmdir file name, so it's showing the error. Okay, fail to remove because directory not empty. Okay, so suppose I am creating one empty directory mktr and bng. Okay, now bang is a empty directory, so rmdir bang, it's deleted. Okay, so rmdir command is used to delete the empty directory. Okay, now to delete the directory where already there if we have to delete in a particular directory, there is data is present, so we have to use rm -r and that particular file name. We ask permission. Yes, yes, there is many file. Yes, check. Now the Delhi file, Delhi directory is deleted. Okay, so we can create and delete the directories using these commands. Okay, now we have one file name. Which one? ABC1. It's a ASCII format. There is some data. Okay, so to edit any file which is created by cat file, so we can use vi editor, or we can also use nano editor. Okay, editor to edit the file in Linux system. So the command is for for now I am using vi editor. Most of the cases vi editor is used for edit the file. Okay, so what's the command for that? Vi and file name. Okay, so first I check the file abc, there is some data contained in file abc. Okay, so using vi command I am okay, see, to insert the data in vi editor, to insert the data we have to use escape plus shift plus I command. Okay, now escape shift plus I command, escape shift I. Okay, see, we are in the insert command. So this file is edited with vi editor. Okay, and now here you can add anything on, you can delete any line from here. Okay, so many operations we can perform for using vi editor. So, and to save the file we have to use escape plus shift plus this sign. Okay, and after that you have to write wq. So okay, and type wq. Now your file is written. Okay, so I have to check it's updated or not. abc1, see, this file is edited in, with the editor. So these are the some basic command in Linux which is used on daily basis. If we are use the Linux operating system. Okay, so do practice on this command. This is very easy if you are doing daily practice on it. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.